Hello again from Lidingö. Yes, I was in Lidingö yesterday on a beach, not so far away from here, Södergarn. And today I'm exploring yet another beach in Lidingö. As I was spending actually the evening here on the island of Lidingö at a close friend of mine. And it's time to show you another beach in Lidingö. And this is Fågelöuddebadet. It is a huge sandy beach. This is only one part of the beach. There is even another beach on the other side and a nice jetty as well, and a jumping platform at the very end of the beach. And I'm so happy to be exploring this piece of beauty in Lidingö, one of the most posh islands in Stockholm region. Now I have woken up today with the very sad news that my cube, beautiful road bike cube, has been stolen from the cycling garage in my apartment. Even though the locks were the highest class possible and very expensive, someone took themselves into the cycling garage and stolen it. So my day is ruined, but at least with this swim I'm gonna feel slightly better, I think. And I'm not really sure if the insurance will what will insurance give, because it's a very expensive bike. So I need to do first also police report. And it had two locks actually, and both of them, based on the picture from the neighbor that have saw that, it's just heartbreaking. That was my favorite bicycle and the second bike that was stolen in a short period of time. We are dealing with 20 degrees Celsius in the water, same as yesterday. So it's gonna be a nice swim, and I really hope that I can forget about my stolen bicycle. But yeah, now I have only one left, and that one is also in the cycling garage. So if that one gets stolen as well, I don't know. I'm just thinking of maybe putting these bicycles in my apartment, but it's not the best thing for sure. Anyway, enough about that. Let me show you more of Fågelöuddebadet. And this is one part of the beach that you can see, and this is the main part of the beach that has also a jetty that I'm gonna go to and then jump to go to the jumping platform. It looks spectacular indeed. And yeah, it's a very beautiful beach. And let's see, the highest platform over there is quite big indeed, so it's gonna be exciting to jump from there. We are overlooking on the other side of Vaxholm. That is not an island. Well, part of it's connected through bridges, but it's also very nice. But you can see the beach is almost completely empty on this 15th of July 2025. That is also beach day number 60 on my Sweden beach adventures this year. Here we have Lifebuoy Lidingö start. So let's then jump and swim to the platform over there, because this is Beach Adventures with Kris, and I'm showing you different beaches around Stockholm and in the world. So let's jump. Oh, it's so amazing and so nice. It's so beautiful. And just look at the jumping platform that I'm going to jump from. And this is going to be a bit of a longer episode, but please bear with me. And yeah, it's so amazing and so nice. Despite the weather, it's quite warm, I would say. 21 degrees Celsius in the air and 20 in the water. This is the Baltic Sea, but it's a bit more of a closed surface here, so it's therefore a bit warmer than usual. As you have seen from my beach adventures in Lidingö, it was around 15-16 degrees, but here it is warmer for sure. And Lidingö is known for its nature and for its well-known Lidingöloppet, that is 30 kilometers run. That's part of the Svenska Klassiken. If you actually go or walk or run along the whole island, it's going to be 45 kilometers. But the run is mainly held on the north part of the island. And we are getting close to the jumping platform. I can swim a lot. And I have left my stuff unattended, but there is nobody on the beach, so it's gonna be fine. My bicycle was locked, but it was stolen anyway, so it is what it is. It is what it is. This is a note to myself that if I have another expensive bike, to not lock it in a cycling garage, regardless of the lock. Here we are. Fågelöuddebadet. I was on this beach a few years ago on a hot day. It was very full, but I don't know why nobody is here. It seems like people from Lidingö have taken vacation somewhere else. Okay, I have been swimming to the jumping platform, but you can also walk to it from the shore as well, which is probably easier, I would say. It looks quite scary indeed. It is very high indeed. Look at that. Spectacular. And let's go and jump to wipe away all of the worries that I have currently in my head. I'm the only person swimming in the whole area of this beach. Very huge beach, Fågelöuddebadet, which means something like Bird Peninsula. Ude is very hard to translate, but it has something like this. It looks spectacular indeed. Oh my god, this looks so scary. Okay, it's not 10 meters, but it's actually high enough to feel a bit of scary feeling. So I guess I'm going to jump anyway. Because this is Beach Adventures with Kris, and it's time to jump into the Baltic Sea. So, ready, set, and go! Oh my god, that was so scary and brilliant at the same time. It was amazing. Beautiful. I can't believe I jumped from up all the way up. Beautiful feeling. So, Fågelöuddebadet, this is the beach, and it's then time to wrap up this episode of Fågelöuddebadet. So thanks so much for watching this episode, and make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.